Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks and Tips Part 2. All I did differently, if you didn't watch Part 1, I moved this secondary line up here and then just filled in that so I have a shorter line back here. I really like it. I'm going to Control G to group it together. And then I'm going to rotate it 90 degrees. I'm going to Control D and duplicate it. I'm going to mirror it both ways. And then I'm going to grab that edge and put it, basically you snap it to it. But if you snap to it sometimes, you might have a little white line. I can barely see it. So what you could do, set your nudge factor on something really low and just nudge it to the left. Now we have an arrow that's pretty cool. Let's look at it with the black box trick that I always like to do it because it really shows off. I'm going to Object, Order, back a page. It really shows off the shadow of the arrow when it's going around the turn. Pretty cool. Hope that helped. Thank you for watching.